Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin and we're back at SeaWorld Orlando for another penguin track construction update. Let's go. A new path has opened to go under penguin track. Let's go check it out. It looks like they're still working on some grouting. It looks like the pathway leading into Antarctica is almost ready to reopen too. This is so surreal to finally be standing under the penguin track. I've been waiting for this moment for so many months, and it's wild to think that it's finally happening. This is so cool. This is also how you're gonna get over to the sea lions now. It's been a very long time since we've seen this sign. Now that this pathway is reopened, they finally got over to this ramp, and it's really weird to not see it over here anymore. Along with reopening the path, they finally reopened the entire exhibit, which is great to see. You still have a couple of work walls, but at least you can walk around the full exhibit now. It's been closed for so long that I forgot that there was underwater viewing. Now this is really sad to see. They closed off that backstage path that went over to Kraken. So now if you want to go ride Kraken from the sea lions, you got to walk all the way around past Manta in order to get over there. But that's only for the time being, because once Antarctica opens up, you can cut through there. It looks like they finished the nets over by Journey to Atlantis.
Yeah, it's open. Do it.
The gift shop sure is going up quick.
For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. None of this would be possible without the continued support of our partner agencies, park guests like you, as well as people.
Alright friends, that's going to do it from SeaWorld Orlando. As you saw, there was a ton of progress over at Penguin Trek. They finally opened that pathway that leads over to Pacific Point Preserve. So now you can walk all around the construction site. You can walk under the first launch, under the brakes. You can see a bunch of new stuff, which is really, really awesome to see. It's really cool to walk under. Pacific Point Preserve is basically fully reopened. They have a little bit of construction going on over there still, but honestly, most of the, if not all, the entire exhibit, especially around the animals, is fully reopened now, which is really, really cool to see. As you saw, they're doing a ton of grouting work, and they're really just adding just a ton of landscaping everywhere. The only real thing that looks like they need to do for path work now is just finish up the little bit that leads over to Antarctica, as well as the ADA ramp that goes over to the Sea Lion and Otter Stadium. Honestly, all they really need to do is just add some fencing and finish that grouting work, and they're going to start testing very, very soon. But anyway guys, if you liked what you saw, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.